Hey guys, Craig and Jenny D here with your 1-minute wellness tip for today. Today we are talking about cooking oils, Craig?
Yes, cooking oils. I mean, when we look at cooking oils, probably one of the biggest cooking oils we find in pantries is olive oil. And it's very good for you, but it's not as good to cook with because it goes rancid after about 150, 155 degrees, which basically means it becomes toxic. Now, we have it in our house because we can actually sprinkle it on food whenever it is cold, and that's probably the best way to go about doing that. So the next thing we use to really cook is going to be avocado oil and coconut oil. And the reason why we use both of those, and this is going to be organic unrefined coconut oil, and when we take a look at avocado oil, it's going to be non-GMO avocado oil because they both have high smoke points. That means that you can actually cook them at higher temperatures and they will not go rancid, which means that they're not going to be toxic to your body. So those are the tips for the oils that you can use in your pantry today.